Hello student. So today we are going to learn our fifth chapter. The chapter name is Animation in the PowerPoint. This is our part second. So we already know that the animation are the special visual effects that are used to make the presentation more attractive. Okay. So let's start. First is applying the transition effects to the slides. Means the transition are the special visual effect that are used to introduce the slide in an animation manner during the slideshow. Okay, you can make a slide fade out into the new slide or a new slide of to the corner up to the previous slide. Okay, there are the many such a transition effect available in a PowerPoint. So look at here. These are the many transitions available in the PowerPoints. Whips, okay, no transaction, etc. Next is modifying slides transition. Okay, so look at here. When the transition effects is applied on the slide, it follows the sum of the default place setting and to show the slide during the slideshow. Okay, so this setting can be changed if the needed for that presentation. For example, if you want to add any sound in the presentation, also if you want to change the timing, you can also apply this new timing to each slide object moving from animation on that slide. Okay, so let's practically demonstrate it how to applying the transition effect to the slide and how to modify the transitions. So next is applying transition effects to the slide. Okay, so first you have to just add transition effect from slides. So look at here, the one group here, the transition to the slides. Here the list of transition is appear here. So we have to just select effect from this transition, this slide group, and under this transition tab. Okay, as the live preview of effect we will be appear on the slide. Nextly, you have to just apply the same transition effect on the all slide your presentation. So you have to just click apply to all button in the timing group of the transition tab. Okay, for example, I choose this one transition to apply the all slide, means this transition is applied to all slide. Okay, next is the modifying the slide transition. So look at here, this transition speed. If you want to give some transition speed in the form of slow, medium and fast, so you have to choose as you need it. So I choose the medium. And the modify slide transition, we also modify the most of the things. For example, if you want to add one movie clip, so click on the insert tab. Look at here, the media clips group here. In that group, one option is movie. When we click on the movie option, movie from file, choose this option. Select it and OK. Here one dialog box will be appear here, Microsoft Office PowerPoint. They ask you how do you want to movie to start in the slideshow automatically and when we clicked. So I choose the automatically. Okay, so this is the video. Look at it. In this way, the video will be automatically on. So you can also choose the sound effect to play at the time slide transition. Okay,
For example, look at here, the option here, transition sound. Click on their drop down button. So look at here, multiple types of sound will be here in this way. Laser, hammer, drum roll. So I choose this one and just preview in this way. Okay.
Look at here, under the slide section in the timing group, this after option, and you can enter the duration in the minute and seconds after which you want to slide to be disappear the screen. For example, in this way, 6, apply to all.
Next is preview the transition effects. Okay, means after making all the necessary setting of added the transition to see how the slide will be appear on the screen during the slideshow. Okay, means when we click the preview option, automatically the all transition will be previewed and we can be see how the slide will be appear on the screen during the slideshow. Look at here, this is the slide timing, this is the next button, this is the pause button, this is our current slide timing, this is the repeat button, and this is the total timing of slideshow. Next is
the slide timing, means you can control the flow of information on the slide during the slideshow, and you can set the timing for each slide of that presentation. Okay, so look at here, this is our slide, and here this clock. Okay, this is the next button, this is the pause button, and this is our current slide timing, and this is our total time. Okay, and this button is used for repeat the animation. Okay, when our continue till the end of this presentation, it gives one dialog box will be appear here, and it gives the total time of their slideshow. And if you want to new slide timing used in the view of the slideshow, then click on the yes, and if you want to know, then click on the no button. Okay, then next is running the slideshow. Okay, means once the presentation timing is recorded, so now it is ready for all the audience for the slideshow. Okay, so in this way, so let's practically demonstrate it, how to running the slideshow and how to preview the transition effects in slide timing. Okay, so next is preview the transition effect. So look at here, in the animation tab, the preview group, the preview option here. Okay, just click here. In this way, every slide transition is preview. So next is slide timing. Okay, so in the slideshow tab, so look at here, the options are, click on the rehearsal timing. Okay, look at here, you look at here the rehearsal here option, the 6 minute we can take it, right? The after every 6 minutes the slide will be changed, right? Look at here, this is the next, this is the pause option, this is the current slide timing, this is the repeat timing, and this is our total time. Okay, so means it's display the different types of buttons like next, pause, then repeat, then this is our current time of slide, and this is our total time. Okay, so we have to just click the next button when the time clock in the toolbar shows the time required from the current slide. Means continue till the end of that presentation. At the end, the dialog box will be appear and show the total time of that presentation in this way. And they gives one continue till at the end of this presentation. At the end, the dialog box will be appear here and it gives a total time. Look at here, the 2 minutes and 90 seconds. And if you click S button, means this recording timing will be saved individually. Yes, in this way. So look at here, recording time 1 minute 41 second, 3 seconds, 0 seconds, 1 second, 1 second, 2 second, 29 second and 2 seconds in this way. Okay.
So lastly, we going to running the slideshow. Okay. So click on the slideshow tab. In the slideshow tab, the start slideshow group here, choose the from beginning option. In this way. This is our video. So
Thank you student watching this video very carefully. If you like my video, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, means my new uploaded video gives a notification to you. Thank you all dear student.